Hello everyone, we are here with a great course for beginners. For introducing the course, I want to introduce Datai. We are a group of engineers specializing in data science and artificial intelligence. Thanks to our achievements on Kaggle, a Google platform, we tell professional and world-class quality lessons and blend them with real-life examples. Currently, we have over 60,000 students. In this course, we will learn data science like a professional and build the essential foundation to learn artificial intelligence with Python. Data science and Python is the second course of our 7-step artificial intelligence journey. In this course, you will learn Kaggle and data science, introduction to Python, Python data science toolbox, cleaning data, Pandas Foundation, manipulating data frames with Pandas, and finally, as a real-life project, we will work on the famous Titanic Project. While teaching the course, we will explain the logic and how it is implemented with Python. To practice what we learn, we will look into different data sets. We will also have tests and quizzes. And finally, we will do the Titanic Project to apply our knowledge to real life. When you finish the course, you will get a completion certificate. You will have classroom support, and you will be able to find answers to all of your questions. Sign up now and let's get started right away. Good luck on your journey.